Hello everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. How are you guys doing? I'm going to show you how you can make up to 1,000 US dollars a day using Google News. It's available worldwide. You don't need any experience to get started. Anyone, anywhere can do this. Continue watching as I'm going to be sharing with you this strategy and every other thing you need to know to make even more on this website. The first website is Google News. Once you open your browser, you type in news.google.com, then you're going to see this website here. This website is where you find latest news around the world, and the news cuts across different niches or topics. As you guys can see here, they have local and world news, then they have business news, technology news, entertainment, sports, science, and health. You can also localize it to the country you are. This one is 12 hours ago, this one is 15 hours. To make money on this website, make sure that you have a niche in mind. You have a topic you want to be talking about, okay? It could be two different topics, but there should be a topic you are concerned about. In this video, I'm going to be going with the business topic, okay? So you can choose health, science, depending on the one you prefer, okay? But for me, I'm going to go for business. Okay, so once you are convinced with the topic you want to talk about, all you need to do is to go and click on the topic. For me, it's business, so all I need to do is to click on business. So in business world, here are the latest news or articles in the business world on Google News. All you need to do is to find anyone that you like, any topic you like here. So this one was posted 7 hours ago. Breaking news: Twitter quietly removes login requirement for viewing tweets. It was posted 7 hours ago. If you found the particular post you're interested in, all you need to do is to go ahead and click on the post, okay? So we are going to click on this particular one. Here is the post. Breaking news: Twitter quietly removes login requirement for viewing tweets. It could be any topic, it could be any blog posts, okay, you want to write about. So this particular one, here is the article. All we need to do is to copy this article, okay? Then you click on select all, then you click on copy to copy the article. Let's go to the next step. So paste it in a Google document. This was that post I copied from Google News, and it's copied everything. So we don't need all these things. All we need to do is to edit it. So as you guys can see, here is the topic: Twitter quietly removes login requirement for viewing tweets. Try as much as possible to remove unwanted posts, okay? So go through the posts, make sure that they are okay. The next website we are going to use is SpinBot.com, okay? So this is a kind of tool where you can paraphrase your post. Remember, we pasted the post we copied from Google News into a Word document. You can also use a notepad, okay? Why you use notepad or Google Doc is to make sure that you eliminate the errors you don't want, okay? So after eliminating the errors you don't want, all you need to do is just to copy that post. Then you come to this website and make sure that it's in the paraphrasing tool. What this particular website or this tool will do for us is to rewrite the article, okay, so that it will become unique. Remember, the article we copied was from Google News. The article had been already written, and if we paste it that way, the platform you want to work with might not accept it. So that is why we're using this particular tool, so that when we paste it on this particular tool, it will rewrite it for us, then it will make the article look unique. So all we need to do is to go here that says paste your text to rewrite. Then I get to see the rewritten text here. Here is the text we copied from Google News, okay? As you guys can see, it's 2,385 words, okay? So you can choose to paste up to a maximum of 10,000 words here, okay? So we have 2,385 words, which is very okay for a blog post, and which will also fetch us a good money, right? So once you are sure that you've eliminated errors and the rest on your posts, all you need to do is to paste it here. right? So once you paste it here, we are going to rewrite it. So what you do is to go to here that says basic paraphrase, then you click on basic paraphrase. So as you guys can see, the blog post has been rewritten here, making it a unique blog post. So all you need to do is to copy this rewritten blog post. You go here, you click on this arrow here to copy the rewritten blog post. Next website we are going to use is ProBlogger. Okay, so once you open your browser, you type in problogger.com/jobs. So this is basically a freelance website where you can come and perform some freelance job like writing and the rest of them. So as you guys can see, there are tons of jobs here. This one is a freelance writer. It's available worldwide. The aim of this video is to show you how to use Google News to make money. I pasted the written blog post, which has become unique, in a Word document. You can paste it in a Word document or in a notepad. So all you need to do is you come here, then you go through all these jobs. Okay, since the kind of job we are interested in here is freelance writing job, so this is best fit for us. All you need to do is to click on this first one here that says freelance writer. Okay, so here you're going to see location is anywhere, the job type is contract, category is blog and article writing, which is what we are interested in, right? And company type is small business. Here is the description of what they want. They are looking for a skilled freelance writer who knows the world of web creation inside and out. Your sole focus will be to write unbiased, comprehensive product review, guides, tutorials, product comparison, and best of lists, all focused on topics related to website creation. So they'll provide you the topics and templates to follow. You'll be responsible for researching and writing articles that align with their voice and adhere to their editorial standards. Once you come to this website and you see something like this, the next thing you should go do is to follow the process I showed you, depending on the topic they require. Okay, so this cuts across any type of topic. Okay, go through their description and what they want you to do. The next line of action is to go to Google News, search related topics that has to do with the particular requirements they are looking for in a marketplace like this for content writing. Okay, so once you go there, follow exactly the strategy I used. Make sure that you go to Google News, look for the particular topic related to what you expected to write. Then you go to SpinBot, you write the article so that it will become unique. Then after which you copy that article, then you come here and submit your article. Okay, before you can submit your article on this website, you have to sign up first. Okay, you have to register before you can apply for this job. So all you need to do is to go ahead and say register, then you click on it. I'm going to create an account, okay, where you have to fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, your website if you have any. Here that is marked asterisk is a must field. So this is how you can get registered on the platform and start applying for jobs on this platform. I'll also show you other websites where you can also apply for writing jobs as a freelancer. Another website where you can offer your writing services is People Per Hour. Once you open your browser, you type in www.peopleperhour. Okay, so this is also a marketplace like Fiverr where you can come and offer your services. All you need to do is to register on this platform as a freelancer. You're going to choose content writing because that is what you're particular about. Using the strategy I showed you earlier, okay, you can make cool money on this website. As you guys can see, here are other freelancers. This person is an SEO and digital marketing expert and he charges $96 per hour. This person is a graphic designer. He charges $13 per hour. This particular person is a travel software developer. He charges $57 per hour. Then this person is a freelance article writer, blog writer, and SEO web content creation, which is where we fall in. This particular person has done 450 projects. You can create your profile and make sure that your profile is well optimized. Then you can fix your price. Okay, depending on the number of words you're writing, you can fix your price accordingly. Take for instance, If you're writing up to 2,000 words, you can charge $50, $70 depending. Okay, so this is another website you can come and offer your services as a freelance writer. Another website you can offer your writing services is WriterAccess. Okay, so once you open your browser, you type in www.writeraccess.com/apply. Okay, so all you need to do is to apply, by connecting your LinkedIn account. You have to open up a LinkedIn account. This strategy will definitely make you a professional writer. All you need to do here is to sign up with your LinkedIn account. So if you don't have a LinkedIn account, you have to create one for yourself. Then you sign in to your LinkedIn account to have access to be able to offer your services as a freelance writer on WriterAccess. Another website where you can offer your writing services is Skyword. Okay, so once you open your browser, you type in www.skyword.com/freelancer-for-skyword. They are going to see this website. Okay, so this is also a freelance marketplace where you can come and offer your writing services. So all you need to do is to come here that says I want to freelance, then you click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see different services you can offer. Okay, but for us, we want to offer a writing service. You can see writer, videographer, photographer, designer. Okay, so depending on the particular service you want to offer, okay, you just go ahead and click on it. For us, we want to go for writer, then you click on writer. You're going to go to continue, then you click on continue. All you need to do is to sign up by putting your email, your password. You confirm your password, you confirm that you're not a robot, and go to the next step, which is about you. Once you get to this fourth step and you complete your application, then you can be able to offer your writing services. So even if you don't have experience in writing articles, so using this strategy will make you become a professional writer. Like, you can write for any brand you want using this strategy, and you can make up to $1,000 a day using this method I just showed you. So go to Google News. Google News is where you're going to get latest and trending articles. Have a topic in mind or have a niche in mind. Make sure that the title is catchy. Then you click to open to see the details of the article. Then you copy it, go to SpinBot, you write the article to become unique. You come to any of these freelance websites, you register and apply for a freelance job where you can offer your writing services and make good money for yourself. So anyone, anywhere can do this. Like I said, you need no experience to get started on this website. I've shown you about 4 websites where you can come and offer your writing services and make good money for yourself. Hope this video was helpful. Please make sure you like, share, and as well subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day, and bye for now.